Everyone, in previous videos, we have learned how to create a particular user, how to get all of the documents from the user's collection, how to get a particular document from the collection, as well as how to update the document in a collection. So the last remaining operation is how to delete a particular document from the collection, right? So just like we did in these two previous requests, what we have here is we have a delete operator, delete decorator, which means that we will have to send HTTP request of a type delete, right? And we will be sending an ID parameter there, as you can see it from over here, right? So ID here is of a type string. Just like previously, we will remove plus here because we are working with strings. So if we so just like I told previously, plus is used to change the string to the number. So if you go over here like this, you have to change the type to the string so that this TypeScript error goes away. So this thing is done and nested. So what we have here is we are supposed to be sending an ID, something like this, right? So I have a response over here, so I will just create a new request here. I tried it before recording a video. So what we have to do is you have to copy a request like this and paste it here, make it of type delete, and let's find out first how many documents do we have here. So we have mainly two documents for practice purpose, right? So what we are going to do right now is let's try and delete one of the document, which is like this. Okay, so come here, copy this, and then paste it over here, right? So right now, if you hit send, I don't think anything is going to happen. So it says this action removes this particular user because we are just directly returning this particular string. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to perform a certain operation which helps us delete these things. Let me remove the previous logs. Okay, so so Copilot is just too genius to let us know what happens here. So what we can do is we can use this dot user model dot delete one, and here we will pass filter type of object that we learned in our second last video in find one, and in our last video of updating. So here you can filter out a document like which document you want to delete. For example, you may want to delete a document by an ID, you want to delete a particular document by a username, you want to delete a particular document by an email, depending upon what project you're working on and whatever your requirements are. Okay, so let's keep it simple for now. Let's just go ahead and delete by ID. So I have hit the save button. Let's let it save first and try to see if it deletes something. Okay, so let's try now. So if I hit send now, it sends acknowledge true, delete count 1. Let's check out if we have two documents still or this document is deleted. Yes, the last document was perfectly deleted. Okay, so there is another way to delete a document. Okay, so here you can see that we deleted a document, but we do not know exactly what document was deleted. For example, there could be a requirement that whenever you delete a particular document, you also want to get the document that was deleted, right? For example, if I intend to delete this document, then for that particular requirement, I want to make sure that this particular document is returned back to me as an object, right? So let me show you how we can do that as well. Okay, so go below here. Let me remove this and comment it out. Return this dot user model dot delete, and it should be delete find one and delete, and just like this, make it just like previously. Let's follow the same practice, make it async await, and I'm not sure. Okay, so here let's see if it works. It should work, obviously. Let the server restart. Okay, so we will come here and copy the ID of this document and paste it over here and hit send. yes, the document seems to be deleted. Let's verify this. Let's send. See, now we have 0 document in our users collection, and the document that we deleted was also returned after the document was deleted. So these are the two main ways how you can choose to delete a particular document from your collection. I hope you were able to understand these two operations. Thank you for watching.